Meet Natasha. She's been Employee of the Month 18 times in a row and wants nothing more out of life than to be the best. Meet Maya. She is well-educated, dedicated, and remarkably intelligent, but not the most confident person you'll ever meet. Then, one day, they were given the task of translating a document. Easy enough, for one of them at least. As hardworking as they both are, let's just say one employee is a little more resourceful than the other. Luckily, someone did their research and found out about Worldwide Translations, a translation service company that offers quick turnaround, quality, low-cost translations. As Serbia's leading and most trusted translation agency, Worldwide Translations specializes in flawless document translation and high-quality interpretation. It doesn't look like she'll be making Employee of the Month 19 times in a row. Thanks to Worldwide Translations, the boss now has a new favor. Don't just translate it, worldwide it. For translation made easy, visit our website, email us, or give us a call.